not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views with a...
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's Danielle Naomi, and in today's video I'll be working with Yolissa Hair. They went ahead and sent me their 5x5 HD body wave lace closure unit in 20 inches and 180 density, and in today's video I did my quick and easy glueless install. So I showed you how I got my lace looking like this. I went ahead and did the baby hairs as well as the curls on camera, so if you'd like to see how I did the full install, just keep on watching. And before I go, the links will be in the description box as always, and let's jump into today's tutorial.
Every time I try to resist you, we can get away. Palm trees, beach views with an everything. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. The you wish you away. We don't really want to, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. 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 Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher by my rocket low. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. But we can get away. Palm trees, beach views with an everything. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see why your heart I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Ready? Too many twists and turns, girl. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You move like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get that up. And I know, you know. You want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we are chill with Noel and party, a jazz and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird Versace. Back it up high, you look like your body drive me. Oh, God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titanic. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 Dance and tease, man. How you want to run like a nothing? I think dance for me and have my head stiff. Yeah. No fair, no cares. Because too many times you said yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah, I see why your heart's I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me. Yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have murder, you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy, yeah. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titanic. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 She just wanna dance and tease, man. Dance and tease, man.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. To me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous twine, but I think I'm here to solo. All my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hear me. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Okay babes, I am back and this is the final look. This wig is from Yolissa Hair and they decided to send me a 5x5 HD lace closure unit in body wave and 20 inches. I really love some 20-inch curls. It's the perfect length for me when it comes to doing curls. That means I could do layers that'll look good, I could do beach waves that'll look good, and when I do put curls in it, it'll definitely look good. This wig is 180% density, so it is full and it is not heavyweight at all. And you guys know it's dark here all winter long. Like, the fall is technically leaving us. We're about to hop into winter, so yeah, I'm really living for these curls right now. I didn't do waves, so it's curled all the way down, curls, and yeah, this is just what it looks like with little to no hairspray. I just used this Tresemme extra hold and just sprayed it on the hair like so, and your curls should last for about a couple hours. And yeah, if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous unit from Yolissa Hair, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.